Hey guys, I'm Joe with Hops and Brews, and I'm extremely excited about this next beer. I can almost say I'm souped up about it. So today we have a world first. What do I mean by that? Well, Athletic Brewing has officially released a world's first pre-workout non-alcoholic beer. I don't know about you, but I'm actually pretty darn excited about that. Let's dive more into it. This beer comes in at a 0.5% ABV, a 10 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.19, with currently only 16 check-ins. Inspired by the power of positive energy and the grind of endless grit, Suped Up is a coffee-infused, extra dark brew crafted in collaboration with Super Coffee. It's got 5 grams of protein, lightning bolt of flavor, and a rich, full-bodied finish. Drink up and charge on. Okay, so right away, I have to say, just for pouring this beer, the first thing I notice, the body thickness. I mean, it looks thick, and I'm digging that. I'm like looking forward to trying that because, again, you notice a lot of non-alcoholic beers, they're just watery thin. And check out the body and just the color. It is so dark. It really looks like chocolate milk. It smells of espresso bean. It's, baby, that's a good aroma if you like coffee. Again, something I think I would love to have like in the morning. Let's give it a try. Ooh, okay. It's not as thick as I was expecting it to be, but it's not water thin either. So far, slightly disappointed in the body because I was almost thinking like really thick, but there is body to it. It's not watery thin. It is perfectly medium. If I were to describe it, it's very thin up front, and then that coffee comes in the back end, and it really brightens and thickens that body up. Ooh, yeah, you really do taste that coffee. That's good. I would almost say it has like, you know how those bigger craft breweries do barrel-aged beers, but they're only barrel-aged for like 3 to 6 months. Nothing to really give that body, but there's a hint of like oaky woodiness to it. There's that coffee roasty espresso-ness that I love in this, and that reminds me of almost like a light barrel-aged beer. So I'm actually really digging that because I love barrel-aged beers. I like them big and thick, but it makes me think that. So this has a lot more complex flavors than one might think. Yeah, it even has this roasty tobacco aroma. It makes me think of opening up a bag of pipe tobacco and smelling it. There's this leathery, sweet coffee roastiness to it. If you've ever smelled something like that, you know what I'm talking about. It's pleasant, it's sweet wood with tobacco roastiness and just almost like a dark fruit aromatic to it. It's just fantastic. And a lot of people hate the smell like cigarettes and cigars. But the one thing I've never experienced someone saying is they hate the smell of pipe tobacco being smoked. That's what this has, a wonderful aroma, like an espresso pipe tobacco. This is a lot more complex than one would think for a non-alcoholic beer. So Athletic Brewing's collaboration with Super Coffee to bring you the world's first pre-workout beer, and it's also non-alcoholic, so it's going to benefit a lot of people. Even if you don't like beer and you don't want alcohol and you're doing that bodybuilding stuff, honestly, like, I was almost thinking about mixing this with like a protein shake or something, but this already has protein. Some people might need more and whatnot, but still, for an average person, I'm looking forward to having this in the mornings. Honestly, I think this is gonna be great as a new style of beers. If they can come out with different styles other than a stout too to please other people. And I know breweries have tried to hit the low cal, low ABV, electrolyte, post-workout thing, but the problem is there's still alcohol, there's still carbs, and those beers, well, they just taste like fuzzy water and have very little flavor. This has a ton of flavor. It's fantastic. I really dig it. So if you're looking to spice up your workout or your morning routine, or if you just want to have a tasty, dark, roasty beer and not feel bad about having one, Athletic Brewing's Suped Up. Go check it out. It's fantastic. Cheers, guys. Oh, that's good. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on my social media stuff. Currently, right now, I'm doing my beer diet, and this is going to help me tremendously in the morning so I can actually have a substance with calories and protein. This is gonna be great. Would something like that help you in the morning? Would you like to have a beer in the morning and not feel bad about it? Let me know in the comments below. See you guys.